This is a short video on Salesforce IQ, a tool I love, but here's what happens is I tried to provision it. I got the thing. The first thing you need to do, like I was clicking on it in the browser, I installed the extension in Chrome. I said allow, and then this came up over here. It looks like your account doesn't have a Salesforce inbox license. And I'm like, really? I know I bought one just for myself. So here's what you do. You go to setup, right? You go to, not as intuitive as you think. You actually go to company information. Then you go down, you look at all the licenses, right? Okay, I got it. Salesforce Chatter free. Oh, look at that. Salesforce IQ. One license, one unused license. I bought it. Anyways, it's not allocated. So what you need to do is for the users that want Salesforce, like a certain CEO or a new biz dev guy, right? You go to users here. You go to their profile. See, for instance, this would be my profile, Juergen Hoehne. And up here, you can also click all the way down here, edit assignments. You need to edit permission set license assignments. This is what you need to press. Voila. And there's the provisioning for this kind of license like Salesforce IQ. And that's how you enable it, because you need to enable the Salesforce like mailbox in Salesforce, which I'm just doing, right? Including this. Now let's connect to the Google email address. Done. Now we can let Salesforce see all these things, and I can data mine my 30,000 emails from 2007. Data mine them, compare them to data.com, link them, etc. I trust Salesforce more than I trust Google, but Google is really cool too. And what happens next? It's now all of a sudden, as you can see, I'm not going to go through the whole setup. I'm going to push this down, but you can see right over here, it's doing the whole demo thing. But right over here, you can see my mom comes up, one record, all now auto populates. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching. And this is how you set up Salesforce IQ. Once in the browser, once by provisioning it.